everyone, I am Prakash Regmi from Nepal, and today in this video I am gonna show you the entire journey of my first ever cruise ship joining on Pacific Adventure from Nepal to Sydney in Australia. I have started the video from my home to the joining of the cruise. Hope you will all enjoy the video. I have reached Pokhara airport. Now from here I'll have to go to Kathmandu first. I'll be staying in Kathmandu for 2 days. I have got the boarding pass. My flight will be there after 30 minutes. I'll have to stay for 30 minutes over here. It's raining in Pokhara. I don't know whether the flight will be taking off or not. I'm going with the flight. Kathmandu right now. I have spent 3 days in Kathmandu and I am having my flight today. So you may be laughing at me because I had to cut my hairs and my beard because crews aren't allowing us to keep our beards. So I'll be moving to airport after 1 hour. I'll be reaching to Sydney at 8 o'clock in the night tomorrow. From there I'll have to stay in a hotel for 1 day, and in the next morning I'll have to go to the port for joining into the cruise. And I have to check in after 10 minutes. So I'll be with my family for a few moments, then I will go inside the airport. There is much of crowd during the check-in, so I'm going to check in. After that I'll be going for immigration. So now I have crossed from the immigration. I'm at the boarding point. My flight will be there in 1 hour, so I'll have to wait for some time. I'm boarding in the plane right now. Finally. I've got the window seat over here. What is this? This is a banquet over here. Right now, the time over here is 6 o'clock in the morning. So from here I'll have to take another flight. I have arrived at Changi Airport in Singapore. So I have a transit time of 3 hours from here. I am having my connecting flight. Security check at the Singapore airport. Thank you. So I'm boarded in the second flight. I'll be reaching to Sydney after 7 hours. Then I will search for hotels over there. Then I'll have to go for port tomorrow in the morning. I have the Sydney airport and I have collected my luggage also, and I have done with the immigration. The immigration officer was so sweet. I'll be staying in a hotel for today, and tomorrow I'll be leaving from here. So I have withdrawn my currency from ATM in the airport. Now I'll be leaving from here. I'll take an exit. Sydney right now. Good morning. I'm in Harris Park in Sydney right now. So I'm having my train from here to the cruise passenger terminal. Yesterday I was so tired, so I slept after reaching into the hotel only. So I'll have to reach within 1 hour from here. It will take 45 minutes to reach the port. all the formalities over here. Firstly, when I went on the port, they took my passport, and when I entered inside, they did my medical, like they had an antigen test. Then I went to the reception to submit my documents over there. So then the receptionist took me to see around all the decks and cabins, and I got my cabin. I will show you my cabin in a while. This is my cabin, and I'll open it. So that's it. This is the bed, and there is a lamp over here, TV. What got inside? Fridge is there, and there's a window from where I can see out. So that was my first experience of joining a ship in Sydney. So I had to take 14-15 hours flight, and with a transit of 3 hours in Singapore. And the Singapore airport was like big. I got a bit confused. There was different vehicles like SkyTrain, and it took I think 30 minutes to reach from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1. And the overall experience was quite interesting and awesome also. Hope you like the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with the next video very sooner. Bye bye.